This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Myra Spano. Wonderful end-unit 3-story condo in the heart of Chix Beach. This tri-level condo features an open floor plan with 2 master suites located on the first and third floors. The third floor master has a tray ceiling, walk-in closet and ensuite bath with his/her sinks, whirlpool tub and separate shower. Third floor laundry is an added bonus. The first floor master offers a walk-in closet and full bath. Entertain in this generously sized kitchen and living area with 9 ceiling, gas fireplace, and a private balcony. Highlights include new 2-zoned HVAC and no flood insurance required. Condo Association and fees managed by the select group covers grounds maintenance and trash pickup. Enjoy maintenance-free living convenient to bases, interstate, local restaurants, bars and just blocks from the bay. For more information, review the details below or contact Myra Spano at 757-563-3110.